excited today because I found these rare, authentic Gucci shoes. So if you like these types of videos where I unbox authentic evil twin items, I DIY, compare bags, do review on bags plus more, then please like and subscribe. And if you want to talk fashion style, then DM me on my Instagram at TCP_luxury. Let's get started. So let's just open them on the floor. So here's the box. They come with 2 dust bags, and let's see if they're actually authentic. I found these on eBay from a trusted seller. Again, if you can prove that these are not authentic, eBay will refund you your money back ASAP. Well, that's what they do for me. So these dust bags look good. They have a tag inside of them. This one out. Good to go. So wow, he really wrapped these up nicely. So let's just give her an open. Here is one shoe. And he really wrapped this up. And I love these. Oh my goodness. I saw them on Nordstroms a while ago, and I mean they're not a brand new model. They're older, but oh my god. It's so beautiful. See that? And that embellishment. That tiger, so adorable. It's the Gucci sign. It has that blue rose pattern. Let's open this one up. And oh, so pretty. And I love that gold. That tiger just shines so bright. I'm gonna put it in the sun in a minute. And again, that blue print, I love that blue rose print, rosebud print, I guess they call it. But look at this. So he didn't mention that it has some kind of stain there, and I'll try to remove it, but it is silk. I think it's a mixture of, the product is a mixture of silk and whatnot, so it might be harder to get rid of, but it's gorgeous. I actually forgot to mention that these run small, so you would have to size up or half size up. So typically I wear size 37 authentic or 37 and a half, but if they're aces, I'm like a size 36, or I have to size down. Anyway, these run small, so size up. Aren't they so pretty? Again, I get texts every time I create content. They are authentic. I checked. I have a friend that's an authenticator too. I won't call her out, but she noticed that they are authentic. These are very rare to find. I have something that matches this that's coming soon. Again, I'm on this journey of replacing some items. Some of my evil twins are being replaced with authentic items. Even though I don't have this as a replica, I just find things that I like and I'm just gonna get them. I work hard, people, so it's time for me to spoil myself without like putting us in a bad situation. This journey of purchasing more authentic stuff, most of my new videos are gonna be of authentic items, and I'm hoping people learn how to buy pre-loved items from me. I am gonna start buying from the stores when some of them are open now, but I'm trying to go to Chanel soon and Dior. I'm in love with them. I did try to clean, so I did try to clean this side. If you could see, it's still faint, but not a big deal, so it's okay. I love these, they're so pretty. Anyway, everybody have a wonderful day and talk to you soon. Bye.